Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Well guys, I welcome you all to my 28th September 2019 Ielts review video. Today is Sunday evening and I'm making this video for you. I had a very busy day. I went to get my car repaired, then I went to get my car serviced, then the tires issue and all that. So I was quite tired, but then Mustain, my son, motivated me and he said, "Sir Daddy, you gotta make this video. It is for thousands of students and they really learn from this video about their next exam." So guys, let's take a start. I got this first message from India and he says the test was quite easy. Listening section 1 and 4, one word only blanks. Second was MCQ from 11 to 15. Then again it was one word only from 15 to 20. Then again it was MCQ, then 25 to 30 it was flow chart and choose the answers from the box. And reading was moderate, he didn't send the detail. And this is Niharika from Punjab. Thank you very much, Niharika. Let's go on guys. This is the second message. Good morning, your student from Delhi, India. My exam was 28th September. It was such a bad experience. It was from British Council or AEO? British Council. Actually what they did, he sent me all the details. He said first they wasted half hour in the beginning of the test because headphones were not working. And then they gave us reading first and it was easy. After reading they wasted half hour again for same problem. Then they gave us writing and after writing they again spent complete 1 hour, but there was no solution for it, and at the end students got angry and they were unable to handle the candidates and also not even allowing any candidate for washroom. See that, I mean the worst experience ever in New Delhi, British Council. What are you guys doing up there, huh? And then most of the students walk off from the hall. At the end listening was on speakers and our exam lasted for 6.5 hours. My goodness, how did students perform in that exam? I mean, I don't know. And my exam was British Council, listening section and all that stuff. Well, I'm really sorry about that. They should prepare the things in advance to avoid such problems. Anyways, let's go on. This is another student and this student has not sent me any review. He has sent me the answer key. Wow, I don't know. The students are brilliant. They always find the answer key. So this is the first answer key he has shared with me. Not given false. That means it's the reading answer key. Then after that he has shared listening answer key. My God, I don't know. This is handwritten. Let me tell you, I don't know whether this answer key is reliable. I don't know whether the answers are right or wrong. I'm just sharing it as I received. So I don't claim any responsibility whether the answers are right or wrong. I received this WhatsApp message and I'm sharing it with you and you can just see that. Okay, thank you very much. He said, don't forget to mention my name, Jatinder Sandhu from Indian Punjab. Jatinder, you are very naughty, huh? Okay, and then he sent me some answers again, 14 to 27 reading answers, and he said these answers are exactly correct. So this is by Jatinder Sandhu from Indian Punjab. I don't know about that. You're very naughty, Jatinder. Anyways, let's go on, and there's another message, and again I got the answer sheet, the answer sheet of one of the student. He says, to wrap up, I once again reaffirm my position, and it's written something like that. Okay, let's go on guys. Now I'm just looking for a good message. Krishna from Surat, Gujarat, India sent the message and there isn't any great detail in that. So Krishna, anyways, thank you very much. Yes, this is the message. And unfortunately, name is not mentioned. Anyways, this is my student, says huge love and blessing from India. Thank you very much indeed for everything. Now he says, hello sir, I am Vishav, and Vishav has shared this information. Reading passage 1 was related to camera and the questions were true, false, not given and fill-ups, right? Passage 2 about ants, teach ants, match the writer's statement and questions yes, no, not given. Passage 3 related to ocean, which paragraph contains the following information and fill-ups. Listening section 1 related to photography and questions were fill-ups. Section 2 MCQ, 5 MCQs and 5 features which you have to match. Okay. Section 3 5 MCQs and 5 fill-ups with help of options A, B, C, D, like that. And section 4 fill-ups related to something. Okay. And writing task 1 was a map and writing task 2 reason. And do you think is it a positive or negative development? Now that is opinion. Thank you so much sir for your words and thanks a lot Vishav. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Let's go on guys. The next message is from Pakistan. He says, Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad Umair, academic IELTS test date 28 September 2019. Test center Kasre Noor, Baratghar, Model Town, Lahore. Okay. So listening section 1 is about enrolling in a course and the question type one word only. Guys, focus one word only in listening section 1 and section 4. Section 2 is about a history of a park. Question types MCQs and map. This section was also easy. Section 3 was difficult and recording was question discussion between two persons and the question type was MCQ and choose 2 options out of 5. Alright. Section 4 was moderate and a lecture as usual about marketing and the question type was one word only. Reading passage 1 was about a scientist research on dinosaur, mainly T-Rex dinosaurs, and the questions were true, false, not given, and summary completion with up to 2 words, and passage was easy and in summary completion questions were in order. That's good. Passage 2 was about art and paintings and the question type was yes, no, not given, MCQs and which paragraph contains the following information. Alright. The passage was quite difficult and confusing. Passage 3 was about human behavior. The question type were yes, no, not given, MCQs and complete the sentences, and the passage was moderate and also a bit confusing. Writing task 1. The following table shows the actual and predicted population of 3 different cities. The cities were Sao Paulo, Jakarta and Shanghai. The table was showing the actual population of cities in 1990 and predicted population of cities for 2000, and the prediction was made in 1990 and the actual population of cities in 2000. Okay, information was easy and easy to organize. Writing task 2, that was a discussion essay. Topic: some people think that universities should offer places to those students who have scored highest marks in the school. Others think that universities should also offer places to the students who haven't scored well in school and colleges. Discuss both views and give your opinion. I always say discussion and opinion essays are very important. Then he had speaking and overall he performed well. So all the best Muhammad Umair with your exam. There's another report that in Lahore, in Pakistan, one of Pakistani cities, Faisalabad, their IELTS test was cancelled because of short circuit. I don't know what sort of short circuit was it. They started off with listening and then I think during reading or writing, during reading I think there was some short circuit and they cancelled the test. So I don't know who was behind the short circuit. Okay. Today essay was about many people own famous brand cars and discuss both views and give your opinion. I just need a detailed message. Okay, this is another wonderful message from Hajira Amjad Ali. And Hajra Amjad Ali is from Pakistan. She appeared in her IELTS academic. Reading test comprised of passage 1, true, false, not given. Hajra, thank you very much for your kind message. And sentence completion. Passage 2, which paragraph contains following information? Yes, no, not given and MCQs. Passage 3, yes, no, not given. Complete the sentence using the information given in box. Listening was quite easy. It contained section 1 sentence completion questions, section 2 MCQs flowchart completion, section 3 MCQs sentence completion blanks, section 4 problems encountered during cotton production and one word only question type. Then true false not given were questions 19 to 40 questions in reading academic test. Writing task 1, there was a table and table was given having data of 3 cities. 3 columns were there containing actual population in 1990, predicted population in 1990 for 2000, actual population and predicted one. Writing task 2, some people say that young students with higher marks, it's the same discussion essay. Thank you very much once again Hajra Amjad Ali for your kind message and I wish you all the best. Okay, so this is the message from Prakriti from Punjab, Indian Punjab, and task 1 was map about the now and future plan of university campuses, bioscience department, and task 2 was about more and more people want to own branded items like cars, clothes, etc. What are the reasons? Is it a positive or a negative development? So you'll write 2 paragraphs, one for reasons and one for opinion. For me, passage 2 was little tricky and then the details are there. Okay, one more message from Hamza Waheed, and Hamza Waheed appeared in Ielts from Pakistan. I gave today's Ielts and I also your online student. Okay Hamza, thank you. Sir, overall test was easy, listening was overall easy, reading seemed difficult due to time shortage, and writing task 1 was table of population prediction of 3 cities, and task 2 was some people think young students and all that. Hope to get 7.5. All right, all the best Hamza, Hamza Waheed. Thank you. And the last but not the least, this is a detailed message from India. I like these type of messages, but the name is not mentioned. That's the problem. The last 5 numbers of mobile phone are +91. It's from India. The last 5 numbers are 59889. 59889. So mention your name now in the comment. Writing task 2. Some believe that teenagers should follow the older people. Others argue that teenagers can challenge what the older people say. Discuss both views and give your opinion. It's just like teenage conflict with their parents. Writing task 1. You stayed at your friend's house last weekend. You have lost your watch. Perhaps you left it at your friend's house. Write a letter and do the following. Thank him for the stay. Tell him how the watch looks. Say what can he do for you. Very simple and very easy letter. Listening and reading level was little higher than the usual Cambridge books. Practice the toughest papers from the book and improve your mistakes. Speaking part 1, which drink do you prefer, tea or coffee, and related. Part 2, cue card, describe your favorite photo or picture, and then some follow-up questions. Okay guys, so this is what happened on 28 September 2019, and in New Delhi the students had a lot of hassle. First they started the test late, and then they started with reading. After reading again they delayed, the students had to wait, and then they started with writing. They didn't allow the students to go to the washroom even, and this was done by British Council in New Delhi. I don't understand what sort of standards are there that they can't maintain. I mean, the headphones, for God's sake, now is the age of technology, Bluetooth age. So why don't you purchase new headphones if you guys have any trouble with those? And by the way, when your test is delayed, when there is anything unexpected, you cannot concentrate, you cannot perform well. I mean, how do you feel that you are trying to solve your test and people around you are fixing the headphones and you don't know what's going to happen? They are all busy interrupting and all that, and then they don't even allow you to go to the washroom. That's really pathetic, and I protest against that. They should apologize, all the students, and they should take their test again. This is what they must do, because you know they are playing with the future of the students. So guys, thank you very much. Those who are planning to take their test on 10th October and 12th October, this is the perfect guideline. You must follow 28th September test pattern, and it's going to be the similar pattern, and I've already made my prediction video which is going to be uploaded very soon. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment this video. If you know further about IELTS test, about 28th September IELTS test, please comment this video and share. If you know the answers to the questions, if you know anything further, please comment, and those who cannot comment, read the comments. At least you will get something more about it. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. All the students, all the candidates who appeared on 28th September, I wish you all the best and a fantastic bench score. Thank you very much. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.